Welcome to English in 5 minutes. Are you looking for an easy, stress-free way to improve your English speaking and listening skills? This channel is designed just for you. We help busy learners master everyday English through the power of active listening and shadowing practice, wrapped in beautiful 2D animations and relaxing lo-fi vibes. No textbook memorization, no boring grammar drills. Just 5 minutes a day to train your ears and your mouth to speak English naturally. How to practice with our videos every day. 1. Active listening. Listen carefully to the story and the natural rhythm of the speaker. Focus on how words are linked together. 2. Shadowing practice. When the subtitle appears and the video pauses, repeat the sentence out loud immediately. Mimic the exact pronunciation, intonation, and speed of the character. 3. Daily routine. Spend just 5 minutes every day. Consistency is the secret to fluency. Your journey to confident English starts here, 5 minutes at a time. Hit subscribe, put on your headphones, and let's practice together.